Hi, welcome to Flower Factor, and today I'm going to be showing you a really great design using just Dianthus, or the Carnation as we know it. And I think because of the longevity of the flower as well, they're always going to be really popular with your customers. So we're going to make a beautiful tabletop design out of just carnations from the Dianthus family. Now the first step really is to add the flowers. They can differ in height just a little bit. What I want to add next is little sections of this rather strange material here. Is just some electrical cable, some flex, which has been glued and covered in ground up bark chippings. The next material I'm going to add are the amazing little Dianthus here called Star Snow. Now I'd never seen these before, and this is one of these flowers that you really could fool people with because they would never believe that this was from the Carnation family, I don't think. Really delicate, and I'm going to mount these just very quickly on some skewers. We take a few stems of this rattan cane, placing these through the stems into the foam down below. So I've got some placed in. I'm not going to leave them at all. I'm just going to snap the stem of these just a little bit. I'm going to go in with a few heads of these. I filled in quite a lot of the area here with the green trick, so I'm just going to take these little decorative features and these can be sort of sprinkled in. So I finished off by placing the decorative items down below, and I hope you agree it's created a really stunning and stylish table centerpiece. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed making this for you, and I look forward to seeing you again in Flower Factor very, very soon.